Hello everyone, my name is Aditi Verma. Our ARP project is on designing of E-shape micropatch antenna using MATLAB. So what is micropatch antenna? In simple form, it consists of a radiating patch on one side of a dielectric substrate and a ground plane on the other side. A patch is a conductor which is etched on a dielectric substrate. Radiation pattern of antenna depends upon size and shape of the patches. Patches are in variety of shapes such as square, circular, triangular, semicircular, etc. And dielectric substrate provides the mechanical strength to the antenna. Cost of antenna design is also affected by the dielectric material. Ground plane. It is a large sheet of a metal below the substrate and it is used to separate ground plane to the patches. There are various feeding techniques for the antenna design. We have used microstrip line feed. So microstrip line feed, it in a conducting strip is connected to the edge of the patches. The feed can etch on the substrate. So by using a microstrip line feed, it has advantages like it is simple and easy to fabricate it. It can be etched on same substrate. Basically, coin has a two sides, so it has some disadvantages also. It gives undesired radiation, and the radiation can't be even manageable because it on the large scale it can be, and small scale it is give undesired. So the antenna is fed is by microstrip transmission line. Here we have used FR4 dielectric substrate material to design this antenna. FR4 substrate with dielectric constant 4.4 and a loss tangent 0.02 is used for proposed design at resonant frequency of 3.2 GHz. Micropatch antenna will provide broad bandwidth which is required in various applications like remote sensing, biomedical applications, mobile radio and satellite communication and etc. In journal, microstrip antenna are also known as printed antenna. The basic configuration of micro antenna is metallic patch printed on thin and ground dielectric substrate. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Madhav Tikam. I'm going to say advantage and disadvantages. And first we start with advantage. Advantage have low weight and low profile planar configuration and volume, low cost of application and ease of manufacturing. They allow for dual and triple frequency radio operations. They can be made compact for wire in personal mobile communication. Disadvantage can be as narrow bandwidth, lower gain, lower power handling capacity. As an application, it is used in mobile satellite communication system, direct broadcast televisions, wireless LANs, feed element in coaxial system, GPS systems, missiles and telemetry. As a contesting strip is connected to the edge of the patch, this feed can be each on the substrate. It is simple and easy to fabricate, and it can be each on the same substrate. And the advantage is it gives undesired radiation.
Now we see the designing step of microstrip patch antenna. Step first, calculation of width. Formula is W is equal to C divided by 2 F naught in root epsilon r plus 1 divided by 2. Substituting the value of C, F and dielectric constant, we get W is equal to 37 mm. Step 2, calculation of effective dielectric constant. This is based on height, dielectric constant and calculated width of patch antenna. Formula of effective dielectric constant is epsilon r plus 1 divided by 2 plus epsilon r minus 1 divided by 2 in bracket 1 plus 12 into h by w raised to minus 1 by 2. After substituting the value of h and w, we get effective dielectric constant is equal to 4. Step 3, calculation of effective length. Formula is effective length is equal to C divided by 2 F naught in root effective dielectric constant. Then we get effective length is equal to 0.33 meter. Step 4, calculation of length extension. After substituting the all value, we get length extension del L is equal to 7.0812 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter. Step 5, calculation of actual length of patch. Formula is effective length minus 2 into length extension. Then we get L is equal to 29 mm, where F naught is resonance frequency, W is width of patch antenna, L is length of patch, H is thickness, epsilon r is the relative permittivity of dielectric substrate, and C is the speed of light, which is 3 into 10 raised to 8. This is all designing procedure of microstrip patch antenna. After designing, E-patch is look like this, where proposed E-shaped rectangular microstrip patch antenna dimension length is 0.017 mm and width is 37 e raised to minus 3 mm. Then we cut width into two slots where W1 is 120 e raised to minus 3 mm and W2 is 1.0000 e raised to minus 3 mm. The abstract of project is, in this project we design E-shaped rectangular microstrip patch antenna. It has dual frequency band with the center frequency 2.5 GHz, thickness is 1.5 mm and dielectric constant is 4.3. Loss tendency is 0.019 are simulated at 129 GHz frequency. The best result of LNC band is its return loss in 3 notch minus 27.69, minus 13.71 and minus 20.35 dB. VSWR value is 1.086, 1.52 and 1.231 in 2, 6 and 8 GHz frequency. The bandwidth up to 33%, 31% and 54%.
So for simulation we will be using MATLAB. So here we have to write some bit of code. After that screen, here we have posted some code in the MATLAB app and let's run it. So after running we get a bunch of plots. Let's analyze them one by one. First, this is the actual antenna model. The brown part that you are seeing is the shape of antenna. The dot is for feeding and the green part is dielectric material. And the base is the ground plane. Now this is the radiation pattern of antenna. As you can see, at frequency 2.67 GHz we are getting max radiation as 962 milledecibel isotopic. The value of reflection coefficient is almost minus 15 dB. And lastly, this is the impedance pattern of antenna. You can see both the impedance and reactance on the graph. Conclusion. So by simulating the patch antenna before physical implementation can give great insights about antenna radiation, impedance, etc., which makes the model more reliable to use. As the technology is evolving over time and becoming more compact and lightweight, so in the future also, patch antenna will have a great role in communication industry.